legendary car map pack, or map pack, car pack. Dad has a car that's oops. Has a car, Dad. It hovers. It's a hover car. No joke. Like it actually does hover.
Okay.
Move. We can't hit Dad. Here, wait.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Enough time she can run away.
No.
Twice around. Wait. Okay, twice around. Wait.
Twice around.
Wait.
Ready?
Yeah.
Get set. Go.
Dude.
Genius. Why would you do that? Come on. Hurry up. Don't let him win, Luke. Come on, pick it up.
Look, I already won. Come on.
Okay, another race. Round 2. Okay, this time if you hit the cameraman.
Oh wait, Luke, time out. Found the antenna thing, Dad.
Huh?
I found that broken antenna thing. Like, put it back on. Hey, Dad. Wait. I think it's in a good spot.
Somebody on the left is... Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Shoot. Dang it, get out of the grass. Wait, what happened? Oh wait, guys. Dude, what the crap? Where's my car? Oh my god. Guys, it sucks.
No, it's still... Luke, win.
I know, mine got stuck in the bush. I win.
Set.
Luke, don't.
Go.
Oh, shoot. Wait, guys, my car broke.
It's okay. It's your fault. Come on, Luke. Come on, Luke, pick it up. Go, go, go.
It came out. It's not my fault.
Yeah, it is. Luke's in the lead. Dude!
Sorry.
Come on, Luke, you gotta win, you gotta win!
No! Oh my god. No, that's not fair.
I think Luke won, because that's the finish line.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Here.
Yeah,
we started like right here.
and no, it's this craggly line
Yeah,
right
no,
here.
but we didn't start that. We started like right here, Dad.
No,
I
that's
win.
the finish line.
No, you didn't. Luke. Yeah, I did. We didn't start. We started like all the way over here. Wait, guys, 1 sec.
This one stinks though.
Get set, go. Luke wins.
Okay, racing. Oh, this. You like smashed it.
Whoa. Andrew. Wait.
Mine's running out of juice.
All right. -2.
Okay, ready? Call it, Luke.
1.
Wait, you're not recording. No, I'm sorry, you are recording.
Wait. 1.
He's calling it.
Sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Could you zoom in again?
Mine ran out of juice.